Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I'm going to take these off because there's too much of a glare. Anyway, I signed up for PINCHme a while back after watching somebody else's YouTube video on it, and honestly I don't even know. I don't remember what I signed up to get, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys today because from what I watched other people say, you can get beauty products. It's kind of like influencer, only you don't do reviews on product. Well, I mean, you do the reviews on the products they send you, but it's different in where you don't go on there just to review random products. You more so review the ones that they send you, and they have some more requirements to getting stuff than influencer does. Like influencer, you just have to do reviews and, you know, whatever, and then they just send you stuff to try out to do more reviews on. Whereas this one, I think, like, I didn't qualify for some of them because I didn't have a job other than, you know, just filming YouTube videos, didn't make a certain income type of thing. And then it said I was randomly approved for this one. And so I went to their website. You have to go to your email like every first Tuesday of the month or something like that. Every other Tuesday, something random. I'll figure it out and put it in the description box below. But basically, you have to check your email, and when they say you're approved, then you go back to their website and you make sure your shipping information is right, and whatever other questions they have for you, you make sure that's all done. So we're gonna open this because it's not really got like a tape type thing. This is kind of a box that you rip open. So I guess I don't really need that. Oh, I remember now. My kids actually love squeezies, so that'll be nice. I got a squeezy and fruit and veggie melties, so that's neat. My kids actually love the yogurt melts too, so I have a feeling that they will get eaten by both kids. And then I got a gift card for HelloFresh, $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries, plus free shipping HelloFresh gift card. That's not bad. And then a coupon for a salad dressing from Bitten. It's just a free anyone Bitten salad dressing. So I don't even have to make a purchase, I guess. It's just for a free one so I can try it out. And that is everything in the box. But I guess because it seemed that I was a mom, especially of a child under 4, or I read that and said 4, under 1, that it decided to give me children's snacks or food. And I think I remember filling this out now, but that'll be super fun. And both my kids love avocados, so they might like it, but both my kids do not like green beans, so they could very well hate it. I will video them trying it out. My son is the only one that eats these right now because I have recently stopped my daughter. She's 2. You know, I don't feel like she needs to be, she's almost 3 actually, but I don't feel like she needs to be eating these baby food pouches. Like, she needs to be eating actual food, and she does, but like when it comes to like vegetables, she prefers baby food pouches, and I'd just rather her eat the actual vegetables, so that's what we're working on now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check the description box because I will write in the description box on how to get signed up for PINCHme, and on the back it shows snap some pictures, snap from your PINCHme box with your samples, have fun, and get creative. Share on Instagram and use Facebook to make sure you use the hashtag HappyPincher and tag PINCHme in your post. Be an influencer, tag 2 friends, and be a social media influencer. But I will tag how to I will write in the description box how to get one of these boxes if you're interested. This is the very first PINCHme box I have ever received. I would have loved to get makeup, but as a mom, this is kind of cool too because I get to try out stuff that, you know, can either be hit or miss for my children, and if they like it, then I know and I can go repurchase it. If they don't like it, I haven't spent my money on it. So I'll keep you informed on whether they like these or not, and I will also write in the description box how I got this box and how you can also sign up for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.